Hi guys, Lee at Frost. Today I'll be showing you the Frost Ethomix. A little 250ml bottle, compatible with the old 2 4-stroke petrol engines. Literally what this does, it just negates the effects of ethanol in your fuel tank. We all know what happens. E5, E10 absorbs water, causes corrosion in the tank. The Ethomix negates that, but it will also keep the fuel fresh for up to 12 months within your tank as well. So if you are going to be garaging the vehicle over winter, then a bit of this in the tank is absolutely ideal. We do sell this to a lot of the car clubs. And this 250ml bottle will actually treat 250 litres of fuel. So it's 1 ml for every litre of fuel that you put in the vehicle. Literally, that's it. Whether you're using E5 or E10, don't change the mixing ratio. You can also use this with any other additives that you're using in the fuel tank. Literally, just stick to the manufacturer's dilution rates. But Ethomix from Frost, thank you.